Hey explorers, I'm Caroline. Today I'm at Play Street Museum, where we discover something new every day. Today we're going to explore
pizza!
Oh my goodness, it smells delicious in here. What are you doing?
I'm making a pizza. I'm a pizza chef.
Oh, wow. That sounds amazing and it looks delicious. Did you know that pizza is one of my favorite foods? People believe that pizza started in Italy in the 1700s.
Wow, that means we've eaten a lot of pizza.
It does. Do you know what they call a professional pizza maker in Italy?
No, what?
A pizzaiola.
Wow.
So tell me about what you're making.
I'm going to make a pizza for you. What toppings would you like?
What toppings do you have?
I have pepperoni, olives, mushrooms, peppers, and onions.
I'll take a supreme pizza. That means I want all the toppings. What are your favorite pizza toppings?
My favorite pizza toppings are cheese, mushroom, and onions. What are your favorite pizza toppings?
Alexander, would you like to meet a real pizzaiola?
Yes, that would be so cool. But do I get to eat some pizza too?
I bet we can make that happen. Pizza was invented in Naples, Italy, but many consider New York City for its delicious pizza and call it one of the pizza capitals of the United States. Let's go.
Hi, how are you?
Hello.
Hi, welcome to Don Antonio.
Thank you so much.
Are you ready to make pizza with me?
Yes.
Yeah, let's go. First, we take out the dough. We choose the dough that we like it. We do upside down, so we see if it's beautiful. We need to fix, and we make a little bit more round. It's really squishy, so we put just a little bit of flour. And you see all the little bubble that is here? Also we have over here, so we just push little by little. So what we want is just make bubble, push the bubble in one direction, so on our crust, and we flip over. Really simple. It's super soft, so we don't need to smash, we don't need to do a lot of things. We don't flip in the air, we just push. We make a little bit more bigger and fluffy, so we can put a lot of toppings on the top, and it's ready. So now we put tomato sauce first, 1 spoon, and we make a 6. 1, or we go around close to the crust. If you want a little bit more, we can put a little bit more. So we leave 1 finger without the crust, without tomato on the crust, so the crust can come up big and puffy. We put mushroom. You like a mushroom? We cook pecorino, little bit, and a lot of cheese. Cheese is the last things that you put on the pizza. A little bit now extra virgin olive oil. And now it's ready to go inside the oven. Say bye-bye, pizza. Now I put inside the peel. I make big and check if everything, we miss some spot with the cheese, because we need to cover up. And now I say inside the oven. And bye-bye, pizza. The oven is super hot, but we need to put extra wood. You need to choose the right wood. So it's got hot. For cook the pizza is just 1 minute and 30 seconds. That's it. We are super fast. The total process is 3 minutes. Now the oven is more than 100 Fahrenheit. Pizza is ready. Oh! Just for you, okay? Or you share with Papa?
You want to share with me?
Yeah. Okay. Prego, prego. Buon appetito. This is for you.
Thank you.
I hope you enjoyed making pizza with me. Ah, good job.
Look at
Thank
you. Oh my goodness. Is that a new apron?
Yes, it is. Do you like it?
I love it. Does that mean that you are officially open for business?
Yes. Are you ready to order a pizza?
Yes, I would like to order a pepperoni and mushroom, onion, and peppers, please.
Okay. Coming right up. That would be $20.
Okay, I have money.
Thank you.
Thank you for my change. Thank you. Ooh, pizza. Wait a minute. Are you closing early?
No, but I'm taking a break. You can't eat all of that pizza by yourself.
I'm Christina,
And I'm James, and welcome to Play Street Museum, Upper West Side.
and this is our Play Street. Let's show you around.
Thanks for exploring with us today. If you'd like to learn more about Play Street Museum, ask a grown-up to visit our website using the link below. Until next time, keep exploring!